Yeah, there's another load, y'all. Trying to get y'all some recordings where I go, places I stop at and shit. I mean, hell. Good Lord, motels, restaurants, apartment complexes. Oh, good Lord, hell. Anyway, trying to get this damn rack built. So I get that rack built, I can get a lot more on here, and I can get it neater than what it is. Cause today I was running behind time and I was in a fucking hurry. And well, you just have to get on with it. Alright, well, I'm gonna post this up. I'll try and get y'all some more.